All right, welcome back everyone. Triple M here. Today, talking a little bit about the Mi Stick that was recently released. Now, you see the title of the video, don't buy the Mi Stick, don't buy the Mi Stick, do not buy the Mi Stick, at least not yet. So if you're new to the channel, I do everything tech, from your streaming reviews, streaming news, product reviews, unboxings, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button in the top right, smash the notification bell, make sure you select all on notification. That way you won't miss a video or a giveaway. So before I tell you why the Mi Stick is not ready for prime time, at least this version, let's go into some of the specifications and details. So first glance, the Mi Stick looks amazing. The design looks pretty cool. Just like the Amazon Fire Stick, it is a dongle, so plugs directly into your TV. This side, there's a micro USB port for your power. The remote looks pretty good as well, guys. Standard Xiaomi Mi setup. You got the power up here, Google Assistant, your navigation, your apps, back, home. You have dedicated Netflix, Amazon Prime buttons, and your volume rocker. So the remote looks pretty good. The design of the device looks pretty good as well, and that's where they get a thumbs up. So here's the actual size, about 92mm from end to HDMI port. Easy to set up. Plug into your TV, connect to your Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account, and you're all set. So yes, this supports Android OS, so if you guys have NVIDIA Shield or TiVo Stream 4K, interface will look familiar. So let's get into some of the specifications. So as far as the CPU, you have a quad-core CPU. This is going to be the Amlogic S905Y2 processor. So the GPU is going to be an ARM Mali 450, 1 gig of RAM, 8 gigs of storage or read-only memory. So out the gate, you're getting 1 gig of RAM, which right there, that cuts it off for me. With 1 gig, you can do a little bit, you can't do a lot. With technology changing so fast, this is gonna render your device probably unusable in a couple months. Now, Xiaomi's website did leave out some of the intricate details of why this might not be a good buy as of yet. But one of the reasons is that this only supports 1080p, guys. The Fire Stick 4K is 4K, as we know, supports 4K. TiVo Stream 4K, obviously. The NVIDIA Shield, all the other popular devices supports 4K. This only supports 1080p. So if you guys have a Netflix, a premium account, 4K, you're not going to be able to watch the high quality that you used to. 4K may not be necessary at this point in time, but if this device wants to be a competitor, 4K must be an option. At least for me, 4K must be an option. So as far as the formats, you can take a look here. 8263, 264, 265 shows the video format, 1080p, audio format, photo. It also supports 5.1 surround sound. So here's the Bluetooth, the Wi-Fi interface. Does supports OTG, so if you guys want to use an OTG adapter to either add USB ports or whatever the case is, that's an option. So with all that said and done, a couple reasons why you shouldn't buy this stick, at least not right now. So main reason is that Xiaomi's going to release the 4K 2 gig version pretty soon, guys, and this stick is going to be rendered obsolete once that's released. So that's the one I'm waiting for. I am going to review that version. I'm not going to buy this one. I know that at this point in time, it's not a good purchase. The other reason why you shouldn't buy this as of yet, if you're in the market and you're actively looking to buy a streaming stick, there are at least 3 or 4 other devices out there that I would choose over this one. One would be the TiVo Stream 4K. Price is going to be around the same depending where you purchase it. 2, the Amazon Fire Stick. Fire Stick 4K is a better device than this one, and in most cases it's going to come in a lot cheaper. The Mi Box S is going to be a better device than this. It does support 4K, does have a USB port. You do have more options than this device. The 3 devices that I named, the price is going to be around the same, and they're going to outperform this device. And like I said, main reason is that Xiaomi is going to release a 4K version, 2 gig version. That's going to be a better buy in my opinion. So that's my thoughts on this. I'm not going to purchase this version. If you guys already have this stick, let me know what you think of it. I just wouldn't waste my time on it at this point in time. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.